Hello friends, welcome to Advanced Coding channel. This is the channel in which you will get best and unique content. So learn something unique in our Advanced Coding channel and let's begin. In this tutorial series, we are going to cover whole C language in depth. After learning through these tutorials, you will get practicals based on each tutorials. Also, you will get some mini projects which will test your skills and help in improving them. So subscribe our channel Advanced Coding and press the bell icon to get the latest updates and enjoy the unique content. Now let's begin with the introduction to C language. C language is a high-level language which was invented in the year 1972. C language was created to satisfy the needs for a structured and efficient language. C language has a great importance in our past as well as now. To assure that C language remains standard, in year 1983, American National Standard Institute, that is ANSI, appointed a technical committee to define a standard of C, who approved a version of C which is now known as ANSI C. At the time when C language was introduced, there were mainly two popular languages. They were Fortran and BASIC. BASIC language was unsuccessful because of its lack of structure, and Fortran language was not so famous as C language because Fortran was not very good for system code. Other known languages which were famous at that time were Pascal and COBOL. Now, if we talk about C language, the increase in popularity of C language is due to its many desirable qualities, like it has rich set of built-in functions and operators, which are used to make complex programs. At the time when C language was introduced, it became popular than other languages like BASIC, because programs were written in C language are efficient and fast. Let's take an example. A program to increment a value from 0 to 1500 takes about less than a second in C language, while it takes more than 50 seconds in interpreter BASIC. As we have discussed earlier, C language is a high-level language. That's why a compiler is needed to convert a higher-level language into lower-level language, that is, into an assembly language. Higher level language is a language which a human can read, while low level language is not so easy for a human to read. Computer can only understand binary language, so assembly language is converted into binary language. Now let's have a look at different types of languages. Other feature of C language includes that C is a highly portable language. It means that it can run in most of devices with less or no modification in code. This is what we have to discuss in this video. In next video, we are going to start with basic coding of C language. So thanks for watching this video and continue to watch other videos of this tutorial series to get the best and unique content. And don't forget to subscribe Advanced Coding channel. See you again in the next video of this tutorial series.